Clever Fox Planner Pro Schedule is a time management planner that will help you always be one step ahead. It is a perfect scheduling tool for someone who wants to live every day to the fullest and achieve his or her life goals. The Pro Edition offers several extra features, including a larger format, so you have more space for writing, and some newly added sections to help you get the most out of planning. It will be a great choice if you like to plan your days in the smallest detail or have larger handwriting. This planner is non-dated and lasts more than 12 full months, so you can start using it anytime and take a break if needed. Every weekly spread has a detailed schedule with time slots from 6 a.m. until 9 p.m. so that you can record all your tasks and appointments from the early morning hours until the evening. On weekdays, there is one scheduling slot for every half hour, and on weekends, one slot for every hour. To set you up for success, we also added weekly and daily sections for goals and priorities, separate personal and work to-do lists, a habit tracker, a work-life balance area, and a weekly review. All these will help you plan for a happy and balanced life. This planner comes in a convenient A4 size and measures 11 inches by 8.5 inches. The cover is made of high-quality, soft-touch vegan leather with premium 120 GSM no-bleed paper pages. It comes with an inner pocket, colorful planner stickers, 3 colorful ribbon bookmarks, and an elastic closure. Because this planner is undated, all 13 monthly sections are in the front, followed by the weekly spreads. You can use 3 colored bookmarks to mark monthly and weekly pages and navigate quickly. However, this is only a small part of what awaits you inside this planner. The first few pages prompt you to analyze yourself and come up with a vision for your perfect life. Take your time filling in these sections. They will help you set the right goals and start living consciously. There are separate pages for building awareness and self-discovery, defining your daily rituals, creating a vision board, and a special table to help you visualize your life in 1, 5, 10, and 20 years. Every minute is an opportunity to grow. You just need to set the right goals and plan your way towards success. This planner will help you set annual goals in 8 key life areas and break them down into smaller quarterly goals. There are also 4 quarterly mind map pages to help you brainstorm and figure out the best ways to make your dreams a reality. We included 13 spacious monthly calendars with separate sections for monthly goals and self-improvement to make sure you never miss an important appointment and stay on track to achieving your goals. At the end of each month, take a few minutes to fill out a monthly review spread. It will help you analyze your progress, figure out the ways to improve, and build motivation for the coming month. We designed every single page to provide maximum functionality and make it easy to always stay organized wherever you are. This planner will be your reliable aid in the whirlwind of a busy modern life. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.